Hello, my name is Sharvi Bose. I got associated with BIA. I got to know about BIA through social media, and it was one of the best decisions that I have taken. I joined BIA in March 23 and I took the 4 months course. I would highly recommend this course to somebody who wants to upgrade their skill. The faculty that has been allotted to me was quite helpful. We covered all the topics in a very detailed manner, and it has been a great 2 months journey. And also, the learning that I have had what was amazing. The faculty also helps you with a refresher training in case if you need that. And yeah, it's been great with BIA, and I would suggest people who are looking for a future in data science definitely go with BIA.